If you think you need to quit your job to start a business, think again. This is exactly where most people fail. They jump too early with no system, no income, and no plan, and they end up coming right back. Let me give you the truth that no one tells you. Your job is not the problem. Your job is the funding source. Most people are stuck in what I call the paycheck trap. You're working, you're earning, but you're not building anything that pays you back. I just need another side hustle. No, you don't need more side hustle. You need a system. By the end of this episode, you will know the 5 steps in turning your job into a business. Stabilize, identify, monetize, systemize, and scale. Ladies and gentlemen, this is called the bridge strategy. The bridge strategy is simple. You go from job to skill to business to systems to ownership.
Toasty! He's on fire!
Okay, let's get right into it. Step 1, stabilize. Before you build anything, you need stability because pressure makes people make bad decisions. I've seen people quit too early, and now they're not chasing freedom, they're chasing survival. So here's what you do. Know your monthly numbers, cut the leaks, build a small buffer. Even $500 changes your mindset. Your job is your runway. We're not quitting, we're positioning. Step 2, identify. This is where most people get stuck. They think, oh, I have a bad business idea. They quit before the race begins. You don't need an idea, you just need awareness. Just ask yourself, what do I already know how to do? That skill is something a consumer will pay you for. Examples: sales, closing, admin, the organization, customer service, communication, real estate, deals. You're already valuable, you just haven't packaged it yet. Okay, step number 3, it is time to monetize. This is where everything shifts. Forget branding, logos, and companies. Start with one service. Solve one problem. Get one result, and your goal is simple. Your goal is to get your first dollar outside of your 9 to 5. After that happens, something in your mindset changes. Moving into step 4, systemize. Whoops. Now we build structure. Ask yourself, how can I repeat this without starting over? This is where most people fail. They hustle, but they don't build. One offer, one process, one way to get clients. At this point, we're not just guessing, we're operating. Okay, last but not least, step 5 is scale. Now you've got proof, income, and confidence. And now it's time to grow. Raise your prices, add income streams, build systems that work without you. This is ownership. Not quitting your job emotionally, but strategically. Okay, here's your real talk moment. If you're still thinking, I just need to go all in, that's emotion, not strategy. We're not chasing freedom, we're building it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time for the Toasty tip of the day.
Toasty!
Don't quit your job to start a business. Use the job to fund the business that will replace it. Most people try to escape too early, but the smart people build the exit. If you want to know where you stand right now, go to 9tofreedom.life and use the Freedom tool, and you can also get the free Freedom 30-day plan. All you have to do is submit your name and your email, and you will get the PDF instantly. That will show you your current level, your risk, and your next move. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast channel. Every episode is airing on all podcast platforms. The podcast player is also featured on 9tofreedom.life. So visit 9tofreedom.life for all the latest episodes and all of the episodes. I am also a licensed North Carolina realtor. If you are in the Triangle area and you are looking to build, buy, or sell, please holler at myself or Danielle Smith at the Pinckney Estates Agency. And if you're into the gear, rep the movement. Go to the 9tofreedomcollection.com. Also an Amazon affiliate. This is no cost to you when you click the link and shop around. Also on Amazon is 9 to Freedom, Fire Your Boss Edition. Are you stuck in the 9 to 5 grind? This is your blueprint to freedom. If If you're an Amazon Unlimited member, the ebook is for free. If not, you can sign up and Amazon will give you a limited time for free access. And if you want something tangible, the paperback is also on Amazon. And at the end of every chapter, there is a worksheet. This isn't just a book, this is a workbook. Support your boy. Okay, I want you to do me a favor. In the comments below, drop one skill that you can turn into a business right now. I'll help you turn it into income. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for tuning in to episode 10 of the Not Enough Freedom podcast. If this is your first time tuning in, I hope I earned a subscribe, a like, or a comment, but most importantly, share with your mom and dad. Remember, your job is not your limitation, it is your leverage. Use it. Peace out.